Hi! Today we're going to take a look at the different statuses that the classes can be in. So for that we need to head to the Classes tab, and here you can see the classes of this week. You can change this if you want to see it by month or by table, however you like. And up at the top here, you'll see that there are 3 different options. These are 3 different filters. By default, it will already be on the active filter, which means all of these classes are currently active. But these 2 options are less used as the other 2. However, they are always handy. So if we click on planned classes, you'll see that the calendar changes. And I have 2 planned classes there, and in archived I also have a couple of classes. So what do each one of these mean? Planned classes are, as the name indicates, in the planning stage of the class. So maybe these you want to use when maybe you're still missing some information for a class, maybe a photo or some more information for the description. Or the archived classes, which are the ones that say we no longer need. So these are classes that maybe have finished, they finished last year, but it's a good way to keep them. It's like an extra kind of backup. You can keep them archived, and they would only appear to you as administrator or to the teachers. Now, if you want to change a class status, you can choose any of the classes. So we're going to choose Afrobeats at the bottom. And here on the first page for the details, you'll be able to see down at the bottom on the left, you have an option for status. And it's currently active. When you create a new class, it will already be created as active unless you change it to planned. So we can swap that over there to planned, and if we click save, the Afrobeats Deluxe class will now be here in the planned classes. So these planned ones aren't visible to the students, neither are the archived. Like I said before, it's just for you as administrator and for the teachers to view. So the archived classes, you can also delete if you wanted to. We recommend that they stay on the system so that you can always go back to them and check any details, but if you want to remove them completely, that's also possible. You just need to select a class, and it would need to be in the archived status to be able to delete, and here at the bottom you'll have the option to delete this. Now if you hover the mouse over the top, it does let you know that only archived classes with no payments and no students can be deleted. So as long as the class has neither of those, then you will be able to delete this, and it will no longer appear on any of the different options at the top. And that's it. Thank you.